Hi everyone, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So today I'll showing another teaching aid we can use while teaching geometry using GeoGebra. So I am at desktop. Now I have already downloaded and installed GeoGebra in my computer. I'm going to open GeoGebra in new files. So I'll open it either by right clicking or double click. So it is opening. This new file is open now. I'm maximizing. You know that left side is your for algebra and right side is for graphics. I don't need any graphics now because I'm not plotting any graph. So I'll right click and I'll click on grids, left click, then it will go again. I'll right click, I'll click on axis. So I'm getting a plain paper or plain where I'll draw. Next I'm going for making a circle because I want to show in class 9 the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double of the angle subtended by the arc at the circle. So I'm taking a, so there are many options: circle with center and a point, circle, center and radius. You can take a compass, you can take a semicircle, you can take a circular arc. So all these things are, you can draw a sector. So I'm taking circle with a center through a point, or I'm taking circle of center and radius. So I'm drawing a circle. So this name of the circle is C. So I am not writing C. So what I'll do, I'll right click on it to hide show label. That means it will not show the name. I hope it's clear now. Next, I'll make a angle at the center. How to make it? I'll take the line segment and I'll join one point and your center. Again, it is showing the name. So to hide the name, I'll go for right click on the straight line and I'll click on show label. Next, I'm taking another line segment. So put on the circle and this. So I'm getting a angle at the center. In the same way, I'll go for a line segment joining your this arc with the circle. What I'm doing, I'm drawing an angle which will be subtended by the same arc AC. Sorry, this is BC at the circle. So it is double. So what I'll do, I'll press escape key, it will go away. Then again it is showing the name. So right click, show the label. Another one line segment I need to join D and C. So hide the name. So I have drawn one angle at the center. Center is at A. You can rename it as BAO because we generally name as center O. So you can rename as O. We can rename O. So one angle is BOC, one angle is BDC. BOC is, now to select this B to make it prominent, I'll click on select. This is the leftmost corner. Then when I'll select B, it will move. And when I'll move C, I can see moves B, I can see. Now if I want to a big letter font more, so where I'll go for options, then I'll go for font size. rounding, label, font size, I am going little bit more. I am taking your 60. It will show big names. You can color the point also. Next, coming to angle. So measuring the angle. How to do it? We'll go for angle. This is angle. Here, click on this triangle, green triangle, red triangle. Then click on the first one, angle. Then click on side BO and side OC. So it is showing alpha is equal to 78.08, but I want to round up as only 0 decimal, only degree. So where I'll go? I'll go option rounding 0 decimal place. See, immediately it showed 78 degree, but I don't want the name to be alpha. Only 78 degree it will show. So what to do? I'll click on angle, then I'll go for left click on objective properties, then it will show the how to format it. Here I can click on red to make it red color. I'm making red. I can click on this opacity to dark, dark and dark. Then I'll go for basic. Click on basic to show this angle should be in between 0 to 180 degree. And here click on name and value. Only name is there, name value is there, value. I'll go for values. It will show only the angle. So see, it is showing only the angle. Now to place this angle, where I'll go for move, then I can move this. Click on move, it will move this object anywhere. So next I'll go for BDC angle. Again I'll go for angle, click on side BD, anywhere on the line, click on left click on DC. What it is showing? It is showing beta angle is equal to 39 degree, but I don't want beta to be represented on the screen. I want only 39 degree. So as I told, you can practice this. So I'll go for objective properties, then I'll go for basic, then I'll go for all the angles should be 0 to 180 degree, otherwise it will show the reflex angle, then value. So it will be 39 degree. Then click on move to place the degree just outside the angle. Here also I can angle color the angle. So I am making it blue in color. So I'll go up, it is showing blue. You can make according to your choice. So immediately you can understand that it is 39 degree, it is 78 degree. The angle at the circle is half of angle at the center. For angle subtended by an arc is BC here, is double of angle subtended at the circle. So I am writing it. I am showing again how to write the text. Click on this, click on text or left click, then click on anywhere on the screen. Then I am showing, I will write the in a circle the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double of the angle subtended by the arc at the remaining part of the circle. remaining part of circle. Okay, so we wrote the heading. I can make it prominent by coloring it. I can go for red color. I can go for text. I can change the text. I can make it bold. It will be prominent. Then it is cross it. So how to convince the children? No problem. Go for move. Move is the left side. Move is the cursor. That means you can select any object. Select and drag. Now I am changing the position of the D. See, I am changing the position of the D. I can changing the position of the D. Wherever you put, it is showing 39 degree. It is showing 39 degree. And if we'll click here, it is showing how much it will be different. So remaining part of the circle, it is double up remaining part of the circle. So next interesting thing is you can move C also. C. You can move C. You can change your angle. You can change B also. So it will be double up. Wherever you will put, it will be the angle at the center is double up angle at the circle remaining part of the circle. I hope it will be very interesting to the children. It is also interesting for us. That means you can save it for future use anywhere, anytime. You can give in your website also. So I hope you have enjoyed. So while you will show the children, so go for view and click on algebra. That means it will show only the figure. Now you can move this into the middle also. Move the graphics view, you will show to the middle. You can, this is the moving the graphic view. You can change anywhere. You can change the position, or when you don't need it, click again here. You can zoom it. Here you can zoom, you can make it big, you can make it small. So I'm clicking here. Next I am going for again showing how it is changing. You will see that it is very interesting. Whenever you will change the angle, change the arc, it will automatically change the angles. So I hope it is an useful one. So please subscribe the channel if you have not done it, so that you can learn, or we can go for more such type of teaching aid which can be used online. Thank you for watching.